Hi, it's Jay Green. I'm out here in Gardena walking this property that you can see is fully gutted. What brings me out here is a contractor friend who referred me to these property owners. Unfortunately, they were taken advantage of by a bad contractor who took the insurance money and didn't do any work here at all. So I'm gonna try to assist them in providing a second mortgage so I can get the work done on this unit. And then they also want to convert the garage to an ADU. So first thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna kind of estimate what this is gonna cost to put this back together, about a 1,400 square feet unit attached to the front unit. So it's a duplex. Put this back together and then build an ADU in the back. And so I'll bring some contractors in here and refer them and try to get some bids, 2 or 3 bids on the entire cost for labor and materials, how long that's gonna take. But I'll email them a loan proposal for doing all the construction work, and then they can look at those terms and see if they're comfortable with the cost of borrowing the money. And I recommend just doing a second on here because they have a first mortgage with very good interest rate, like around 3.5%. So let's not disturb that first mortgage. Let's just do a second so we can get the work done, and then they'll go and refinance and pay off my loan. So I'm gonna email them a proposal for a loan. It might be a little bit off, but then I can always adjust it once we get the labor and material costs for doing all the construction. Anyways, Jay Green, GW Private Capital. If you need help with a situation like this, or building an ADU, or finishing a construction project, give me a call, 714-747-1912. Thank you.